Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and guess what? Today I'll be showing you how to, not how to, but in another video I'll be showing you how to make these. But for today, I will be showing you how they work and how to build it. And I know Ryan Vlogs, you're watching this video right now, so here's the tips, because I know where he lives. I live right next to him, basically. So yeah, and let's get started in 3, 2, go. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed how to solve it. And yeah, maybe I'll see you in another video. Peace out, like, comment, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do next. So peace out, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.